The 2026 Volvo XC40 is a harmonious blend of Scandinavian elegance and cutting-edge innovation, redefining the compact SUV category with its remarkable features and performance. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the XC40 commands attention with its bold, modern design. The sculpted body, signature Thor's hammer, LED headlights, and distinctively clean lines reflect Volvo's dedication to understated luxury and aerodynamic efficiency. Its refined grille and sophisticated color options exude confidence, making it a standout on the road. Beneath its striking exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. The XC40 offers multiple powertrain options, including a responsive turbocharged engine and an advanced plug-in hybrid system that combines power with impressive fuel efficiency. For those seeking all-electric performance, the Recharge model delivers zero-emission driving with an exceptional range, making it an eco-conscious choice without compromising on capability. The handling is nimble and precise, with finely tuned suspension systems, ensuring a smooth, comfortable ride across various terrains. Whether navigating city streets or winding countryside roads, the XC40 delivers confidence and control. Inside, the XC40 showcases Volvo's renowned commitment to comfort and craftsmanship. The cabin is a haven of luxury, adorned with premium materials like soft Nappa leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainably sourced wood accents. The minimalist design philosophy ensures a clutter-free environment, while the ergonomically designed seats provide superior support for long journeys. Innovative storage solutions, such as a removable waste bin and ample cubbies, add a practical touch to the refined interior. Technology in the XC40 sets a new standard for its class. The centerpiece is a vertically oriented 12.3-inch touchscreen powered by Volvo's latest infotainment system, seamlessly integrating Google services like Maps and Assistant for intuitive navigation and connectivity. A 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and pilot assist enhance safety and driving ease, solidifying Volvo's reputation as a leader in automotive safety. The premium Harman Kardon audio system envelops passengers in immersive sound, perfect for road trip playlists or quiet commutes. What truly sets the 2026 Volvo XC40 apart is its thoughtful blend of practicality and sophistication. With its spacious interior, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities, it offers something for everyone, whether you're seeking luxury, sustainability, or dynamic driving experiences. This compact SUV is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement designed to elevate every journey.